Okay, this video is going to deal with the elected officials preparation assignment. And remember that this assignment is the second of 3 assignments that we're going to do. And the idea here is to help you further understand that there's a different group of people that represent you at the state level than represent you at the national level. But the problem is some of these individuals have the same title. Senator at the state level called a state senator. Senator at the national level called a U.S. senator. Technically, we call them both senators, but there's a difference between state senators and U.S. senators. Same thing with the State House of Representatives and the U.S. House of Representatives. So we're going to go into a little bit more detail on helping you identify and distinguish between state representatives and U.S. representatives, state senators, U.S. senators. Okay? When you log on to do this assignment, you're going to see a link that will allow you to download a file. And the file is going to open a Word document. And each of the questions that I ask, as you can see on the screen, have little spots where you can type the answers directly into this assignment, this form, this document. After you've completed the whole document, then you need to save that file. And then after you save it as a Word file, then it needs to be saved as a PDF file. And it will be the completed PDF file that you then submit on Moodle. Moodle will not accept any documents, any files that are not in PDF format. So, to make sure that you can do this, if you're using Word, when you save your document after you save it the first time, then you can save it as, and the option will be to save it as a PDF file. If you are not using Word, and you don't have the option to save it as a PDF file, then I provide you a link on the Moodle site, and you can see on the screen now where that's located. And that link will take you to a website that will allow you to turn any document, any file, into a PDF file. And you can then upload that PDF file to the Moodle. Okay? Now, the next thing you need to do is understand that when you complete this assignment, I'm asking you to complete this assignment based on your home state. And your home state is defined for this assignment by me as the state in which you would vote if there was an election today. So if you were to vote here in Missouri today, then you would use Missouri as your home state. But if there was an election today and you would vote in Texas, then use Texas as your home state or Indiana as your home state. That's how I want you to define home state. Where would you vote if there was an election today? Okay. The other thing you need to notice on this assignment is one of the last questions, or the last question, I believe, asks you for your zip code +4. Zip code +4 is important because it locates more specifically where you live. Zip code will tell me in a general area that you live. A zip code +4 will tell me more specifically where you live. And this specificity will become more important on the next assignment, where you actually have to find the name and district of people that represent you. So, for your assistance to help you out, I provide 2 links at the bottom of this assignment on that Word document. One just explains to you the zip code and the zip code +4 process. And then there's also a link that will allow you to go to a website operated by U.S. Postal Service that helps you find your exact zip code +4 based on your address. Now, the last thing I want you to understand here is this assignment is really trying to get you to go to specific, credible sites to find this information. Okay? A lot of students, when completing this assignment and the elected official assignment, will simply use Google. That is not a very effective tool, because if you type in "who is my representative in Congress," it's not going to give you an exact answer. So my suggestion for you when completing this assignment is the two best places to find information would be your state's constitution and also the U.S. House of Representatives or U.S. Senate websites. Those websites or those sources are going to give you the most accurate, up-to-date, current information for your state. Okay? As with any other assignment that we have, if you have any questions on how to complete this assignment, please don't hesitate to give me a call, and I will help you in any way that I can. Now, also, this assignment is due Friday morning, but you probably will not get a graded copy of this assignment back until late Sunday night, early Monday, because of travel, because of holidays, and because of the fact that I have to print them all out and grade them by hand and then scan them back in. So please don't be expecting a grade on this immediately. It's not like the how many senators do I have assignment that give you a grade immediately. I'll have to manually grade each one of your papers. So good luck on this assignment, and give me a call if you have any questions.